Welcome back to the Bulletproof Garage. Today we're going to be putting on an oil filter cover on this KTM. The new Bulletproof Designs oil filter cap provides unmatched durability and performance. Crafted from CNC machined 6061 T6 aluminum, this cap guarantees a secure seal, effectively preventing oil leaks. Designed to replace your stock cap. Now this bike is protected and ready for battle. Follow us on our social media platforms to stay up to date. See you out on the trail.